Hi guys, my name is Mark Canonizado, back at it again with another Kumunoy vlog. No? Sa ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng Tip Simulator dahil naka, naka-experience na naman tayo ng isang malupit na hagupit na discount. No? Discounted eh. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Binili ko discounted. Ngayon, simulan natin. Ano ba magandang pangalan sa magnanakaw? Ano ba yung mga magnanakaw na pangalan ngayon? Sige, lagay ko na lang din pangalan ko kasi malikot naman kamay ko eh. Pasensya na kung medyo uubo-ubo ako dito ngayon sa video na to kasi ayan, kasabi ko lang may sakit ako. Okay. Vinny. Okay, sige, go.
Hey, it's me, Vinny.
Yes, Vinny.
Pick up that crowbar and listen up. We got a lot of ground to cover.
Okay. Sige, Vinny. Paano mag-pick up? E. Okay. T. You can add items to the quick slot for fast usage. Go to the inventory, say, sige.
The Lombardis paid your bail.
Sorry,
They're
sasagutin lang
generous
pala si
men,
Vin.
but they're all
Sasagutin lang
about
pala siya.
reciprocity, if you get what I mean. Let's see if you're up to the job. Knock over that house for me. The last one.
Okay, safe.
Hey, some dope left a flashlight on the ground. Take it, but don't let nobody see the light and call the cops. Good job. Time to redistribute a little wealth.
Uy.
Time to bail, man. Get in the car. Don't let nobody see you with that crowbar.
Ay, sorry, akala ko tapos na. See?
Good job, man. This just might work. Go get some sleep and we'll pick this up in the morning.
Siguro mga 1 yan. Okay din yung laro For 61 pesos, not bad.
Check the computer. There's a few things I need to tell you.
Laptop pala yun. Di pala
Tools
sa
for
computer.
Thieves lets you buy new kit online, but you might not have what it takes to use them all. Click on Steal Your Forum. Here you can buy secrets. Hot tips on what's where, who's guarding it, who leaves the door unlocked, whatever. Check out what I wrote on Greenview 109. Great. Now, go...
Okay. Ayos may online din palang mga magnanakaw. Pawn shop daw muna, sabi ni Vinny. Makinig tayo kay Vinny.
Welcome.
It's Time for Greenview 109. Get me that TV and don't pawn it off.
Sa mga malilikot ang kamay, pwede nyo 'tong laruin. Huwag nyo lang totohanin. Okey? Parang ito rin kanina yung ninakawan ko, ah. Ano ba yan? Ay pare, hindi kunyari nag-iyo sila pre. Ilang ako. Psych! Magnanakaw ako, boy. Aha. Okay. Tara na. Let's go. Let's go. Saan bahay ko? Paano yan? Alam ko saan bahay ko? Okay. Kailangan ko lang pala lumabas. Okay, let's go home. The doors have an old lock. Easy to pick. Okay, 111. Let's go! Tulog pa ba ako? Di na. Walang grind tayo sa pagnanakaw. Diba? Walang titigil. Magnanakaw at magnanakaw tayo. 111, right? Sige, let's go! Learn lockpicking level 1. Paano? DIY simple lockpicking. So kailangan ko pa ulit bumalik. Ano ba yan? Okay, ito na talaga. 111, yari ka na sa akin, boy. Open ka pag ano. Huwag kang kikilos na masama. Pag kumilos ka na masama, babariling kita. Tindihan mo? Hoy! Kung kumilos ba? Sabi sa'yo? Wala kang narinig ha. Kukunin ko tong TV mo. Kung kikilos ha, papatayin kita. Subukan mo rin magsumbong. Babalik ako dito, lalagyan ko yung sabon nyo ng kaldereta. Hindi mo na. Kunin ko na rin to. Tindihan mo? Maingay ah. Dali! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Sakay! Ala! Ala! Basic, first try. First try lang yun ha. Wala na akong ibang ginawa. Bini, saglit lang. Ito mo inuubo ko eh.
If it ain't broke, fix it with a crowbar. Word on the street is the toilet in Greenview 113 is not broke.
Okay, 113 naman yung nanakawan. The back door has an easy lock. There is a pricey coffee machine in the kitchen. There is no one home between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. Okay, 1 a.m. walang tao dun. Paano nila ako na-detect? Ang bilis naman. Ay! Nagulat ako. Kunin lahat ng wifi nyo. Kala nyo ha. Nakuha ko na ang printer at ang TV. Let's go guys. Muna tayo. Yan, S. At doon na po nagtatapos ang ating part 1 Thief Simulator, no? Feel ko hanggang part 1 lang tayo kasi marami pa tayong lalaroin ng laro, no? Nag-enjoy naman ako so far, 61 pesos is good. Hindi ko na tinapos yung objective ko, no? Kasi alam ko mahaba to. Time check na, anong oras na? 1:52 na, no? 1:52 na ng umaga. Kanina ko pa to nilalaro ng alas 10. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung video. Like, comment, and subscribe mga kumunoy. Alam niyo na. Peace out, bros. Peace out, bros.